There are few foods that work as well on your face as they do in your belly. The rich and creamy avocado is one of them. Quick question: is an avocado a fruit or vegetable? It's a fruit. It's not just any fruit, however. It's a single-seeded berry. Is your mind blown yet? Avocados are a healthy, fat-filled superfood that contribute to a nutrient-dense diet. They are filled with vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, and vitamin E. In this video, we will discuss the 4 most powerful health benefits of avocados and 3 delicious recipes to make it easier to get these nutrients the natural way. But before we do, remember to subscribe before our next upload so you will never miss another informative video. Research suggests the avocado originated in Mexico. Whether it is true or not, the fact remains they are a year-round producer of these unique fruits. It's a good thing that they can grow them all year because the US alone, its consumption of avocado experienced a 350% growth in the last decade, devouring from 543 million pounds in 2000 to over 2.4 billion pounds in 2018. It may be due to its unique texture and taste. Depending on the type and ripeness of your avocado, you can normally expect a rich, mellow flavor with a thick, buttery texture. Some people even describe the flavor itself as being buttery. The avocado has so many health and medicinal uses, including cosmetic uses like facial mask and skin softeners. However, we will focus on the 4 most powerful health benefits. Number 1. Avocado is a good high-fat food. For many people, managing your fat and cholesterol intake is a tricky and tempting battle. With avocado, you can consume good fat and gain the edge in the battle of the bulge. In fact, 77% of the calories in it are from fat, making it one of the fattiest plant foods in existence. But they don't just contain any fat. The majority of the fat in avocado is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that is also a major component of olive oil and believed to be responsible for some of its health benefits. Number 2, eating avocado can regulate your blood pressure. Avocados are full of magnesium and potassium, 2 nutrients known to help reduce blood pressure. The avocado provides more magnesium than 20 other fruits, including the banana, kiwi, and strawberry. Number 3, avocados can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 8 controlled studies in people have examined the health effects of avocados. These studies showed that avocados can reduce total cholesterol levels significantly, reduce blood pressure triglycerides up to 20%, lower LDL, that's low density lipids, cholesterol by up to 22%, and increase high density lipids or HDL, the good cholesterol, by up to 11%. Number 4, avocados help your body absorb the nutrients from other foods. In the fight for nutrition, it's not enough to consume the right foods. Your body also needs to be able to absorb the nutrients, move them from your digestive tract and to your body, where they can be used. Some nutrients are fat-soluble, meaning they need to be combined with fat in order to be utilized. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, along with antioxidants like carotenoids. One study shows that adding avocado or avocado oil to either salad or salsa can increase antioxidant absorption 2.6 to 15-fold. One study showed that when avocado is added to salad, The absorption of beta-carotene from carrots increased 13.6 times, and the absorption of alpha-carotene from lettuce increased 4.3 times compared to the same salad eaten without avocado. Now that we are clear on the avocado's amazing health benefits, let's discover some cool and tasty ways to get more of it into our diet with these 3 easily delicious recipes. Avocado toast. The ingredients you will need are 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of bread, 1 clove of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon juice, finely chopped cilantro or parsley. How to prepare. First, cut your avocado in half, remove the seed. Toast your bread using your toaster or a skillet. While toast is still hot, lightly rub the surface with the cut side of garlic clove. Use a spoon to scoop the avocado flesh out. Then use a fork to mush it up. Spread it on the toast like butter, sprinkle salt and pepper, squeeze a bit of lemon juice, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with cilantro or parsley, serve immediately. Baked avocado eggs. You will need 2 avocados, 4 eggs, salt, pepper, 1/4 cup of bacon bits, 1 cherry tomato, 1 sprig of fresh basil, shredded cheddar cheese, fresh chives chopped. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 degrees Celsius. Slice the avocado in half and remove the seeds. Place the avocado halves on a baking sheet. Begin to scoop out some of the flesh to make the hole bigger. Crack 1 egg into the hole and season with salt, pepper, or get creative. Then top with your choice of toppings and bake for 15 minutes until your yolk reaches your desired consistency. Sprinkle with fresh herbs as you desire. Enjoy. And for dessert, avocado water. You'll need 1 small ripe avocado, remove the pit, 5 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a tiny pinch of kosher salt. Throw the avocados and lime juice into a blender with sugar, salt, and 3/4 cups of ice and 2 cups of cold water. Blend it together until smooth and enjoy. If you would like to take it a step further, you can turn this avocado water into a fruit smoothie by adding your choice of other fruits while keeping the avocado base for a creamy, buttery taste and texture. We would love to hear from you. If you have any little known natural remedy to share, please leave them in the comments below. If you think this video helps, give us a thumbs up. If you subscribe and activate the notification bell, we will always let you know when there is another helpful video that comes out. Remember, stay healthy, stay happy.